Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to another video. And if you're watching this video, it's probably because you're looking for a drop shipping printing service or you're seriously considering using Printful. So to answer your question, is Printful a good option? Well, the answer is going to be throughout this video because you are the one who's going to decide if Printful is the best option for you. Now, just a quick side note, the reason I'm not wearing a black shirt today is because of two reasons actually. Number one, yesterday was my birthday, so I've been celebrating my 21st birthday. Haven't gotten to hang out with my friends or drink anything because lately I've been stuck at home. And number two, next week I'm going to Cancun, so I'm just getting ready for those pictures. Now anyways, let's keep going with the video. A couple months ago, as I was doing my research for the Builder All merch, I saw that Google highly recommended Printful as one of the best options for drop shipping printing services. But is it true? Is this the best printing quality and the best shirt quality that you can have for drop shipping printing services today? Now the truth is that 90% of you guys are not subscribed, so make sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe for awesome weekly content. Now going back to the video, a couple months ago I had an idea. I wanted to create my own Builder All merch line. I wanted to create a merch line that would look good whenever I was going out with my friends, that I could use whenever recording a video, that I could use whenever going to events. I wanted to create a merch line that would look good in any occasion. But most importantly, the quality had to be amazing as I wanted to sell the merch to our users and our affiliates. So the first thing that I did was hire a designer to help me illustrate my vision. So after working a couple of weeks, we finally had our merch collection ready and it looked amazing. Now the second step required me to look for the best drop shipping services as I wanted to create my merch, sell the merch, but I didn't want to have to go to the mail and mail my shirt to each and every single user. I wanted to have an automated system that would do that for me. So after reading a couple of articles on Google and watching a couple of videos on YouTube, I was confident that Printful was my best option. So I created my account, I uploaded all my design, I created my templates, I configured my e-wallet, and boom, everything was done. Everything looked amazing. Now I just needed to create my online store. So I logged into my Builder All account, I created a WordPress website, configured the theme, changed the design, integrated it with my Printful store, and it was done and it was looking great. Now like I said, the quality had to be amazing as I wanted to sell this to our affiliates and our users. So what did I do? I bought 15 types of t-shirts and hoodies, and that is where the problems begin. First of all, they claimed that the order would be shipped 3 to 4 business days after the order was fulfilled, which is really good for drop shipping because you don't want your products taking way too long to be shipped after the purchase. But that is not what happened. I completed 2 orders, one on May 15th, I bought 1 hoodie, and one on May 20th, I bought 14 different items. My first order was an individual hoodie of which I paid $46.89 for. My second order was a big one with 14 different items which I paid approximately $300 for. My second order with 14 individual items was delivered June 19th. It took a total of 31 days for it to be delivered in my house. And the first order was even worse. It took a total of 43 days for me to receive one individual hoodie. But the worst part was not even the wait. It was my high expectations because as I received my order and opened the box, I saw the printing quality and I was highly disappointed. I don't want to be mean or rude or anything like that, but the quality is horrible. This is what it looks like. And the best part is that it looks better on camera than it does in real life. But here's the thing, it gets even worse. The stock price that you pay for this hoodie right here is the same price that you would pay for a Nike hoodie, which, let's be honest, has much better quality and printing quality than this one. And like I said, it doesn't even include your profits. If you were to increase, let's say, $15 profit per hoodie, the price would probably increase to around $60 to $65 per hoodie, plus shipping. But what we have to think about is paid advertising, right? If you were to sell this hoodie right here on Facebook, you would have to think about how much you would pay per customer acquisition, how much it would cost you to bring a new customer to your store and then sell them a hoodie or a t-shirt. But here's where the big problem happens, right? You got to think about one thing, customer acquisition, because whenever you're launching a product, especially a brand new product, you have to think about how much money you're going to invest to bring a customer to to your store. You have to think about how much money you're willing to pay per lead. Now, in most cases, you usually pay around $5 to $10 a lead. Now, how are you going to pay $10 a lead to sell a product that you only have a $15 profit from? It's super unrealistic. It doesn't work, right? What you would have to do is bring the price up. You would have to increase the price of your hoodie, of your products, so then you could have more money to invest on ads, making you a higher profit. But then the final result would be selling a hoodie for over $100, which is unrealistic for a small brand that people don't know. So that leaves you with one other option, which is selling your merch for people who already know you, for people who already follow you, like your subscribers, your followers, your fans, your customers, and so on. But again, this is a problem because I would never have the courage to sell this type of clothes to my customers and relate this to my brand's quality. I would never ask my friends, my family, my subscribers, my followers to buy a $50 hoodie that I know for a fact after the first wash will decrease its size by probably 3 sizes and the printing will be all gone. You see, I wouldn't do that because I wouldn't relate that brand to my own personal brand. They don't look that bad in videos. So if you're recording tutorials, if you're recording a course, it could definitely work out. But I still think it's very expensive and you do have better options out there. Now remember that your customers also don't want to wait that long, 30 to 40 days to receive one individual item. Now that being said, I want to start talking about the positive points in Printful. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. No, just kidding. Although the product's quality is not that good, the printing is not that good, and it takes forever for you to receive the item, after taking a few pictures and recording a few videos of the shirts and the hoodies, I noticed that in video it doesn't look bad. In fact, it actually looks pretty good. So what did I do? I created an advertising with the clothes, the same advertising that you would probably run ads to capture leads and make sales. And this is how it looks like. Now, I hope that answers your questions, whether you should or shouldn't be using Printful. Either way, I still think there are better options out there. I'm not saying that Printful is bad, that Printful is a scam. I'm just saying there are cheaper and better options out there. Now, thanks so much for watching this video. If you did like it, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like this video, and make sure to comment below if you did like the style of this video and if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Now, that being said, I will see you guys in the next video, probably in Cancun, drinking my beer because I'm 21 now. Thanks so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.